Welcome to my first behind the scenes where you guys get to look into my crazy mind and see how I create. If you recall, I made a video showing how to make paper dolls and how I use them to stay in scale. These are 1/12 scale, but they can also be scaled down. We have Jasmina, Peyton in the middle, and Candice at the end. Keep them in mind now, as they form part of my mini Modernz housing agency as part of my advisory team. Yes, I said it. They are my team. For this project, we had our first client, which is the McClay family. It's a family of 5, 2 adults, 3 teen boys. They recently moved into a luxurious modern home and needed their kitchen completely renovated from scratch. And as an agency that prides ourselves on giving its clients the best service possible, we go above and beyond to fulfill their dreams. The McClay family gave us specific requests and we will endeavour to fulfill. So to start, the ladies go over some reference pictures to confirm what style they want. And as you can see, it's very modern with black and brown themes. So now we know what we're working with, the ladies can head over to the house and check it out. The kitchen has been completely gutted, so we take down all the measurements and make sure that we're happy with the layout. This place needs a lot of work. Ooh. Candice ordered some temporary fixtures to make sure everything was the right size, and the ladies were happy with the layout, and so were the McClays. Now, with technology as it is, here at our housing agency, we use virtual reality to digitally create your home. And we place you in it so you can see how you feel and if you like what we do before you make your decisions. The McClay family was super impressed and they couldn't wait for us to get cracking making their dream kitchen and make their dreams come true. We did, until the parents decided to go away for New Year's Eve, leaving the 3 boys alone. Well, let's just say their dream soon became a nightmare.